Google Maps is not just for directions. It is a hidden gold mine that most people use every single day. In fact, just a couple of years ago, I was in between jobs trying to figure out how to make ends meet, grinding and hustling like crazy. After trying dozens of business models, I discovered this one that now allows me to travel the world or take it on the go or work from home. Freedom on my terms. Right now, there is a simple 5-minute trick hiding in plain sight that will be able to put instant cash in your pocket, and all you need is a cell phone and a laptop to get started. Lucky for you, you don't need no fancy skills or no prior marketing experience. Just a simple copy and paste method that I use to make a pretty nice daily income working from home. And before you think, Mo, this sounds too good to be true, let me be clear. I have no course or high-ticket coaching program to sell you. I'm just someone that has been in your shoes before, tired, overworked, chasing side hustle after side hustle, just hoping that just something would finally work. That's why I want to give you everything you need. My full step-by-step course, templates, scripts, plus a free live bootcamp, all 100% for free. All you have to do is just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and share this video with a friend who might want to actually implement this business model. Or maybe you team up and do this business model together. And I'll share with you the private link to unlock all of my step-by-step courses, templates, scripts, and even the live bootcamp for free. And the cool thing for you is that hundreds of people has implemented this exact business model to see amazing results. So let me show you step-by-step how to make this happen. So now that you smashed the like button and dropped a comment down below so you can get that extended 30-day free trial plus the live bootcamp to get everything set up, what we want to do is leverage that pre-built software to sell a simple service that requires no to minimal ongoing support so that we can make monthly recurring revenue in a pretty semi-passive way. Now, a simple service that I know works very well is helping small local businesses with their marketing so they can get more clients and ultimately make more money. And this one service I would like to show you how to set up takes about 5 minutes to set up. It's a one-time setup, but continues to add value to the small local business owner. So they want to continue to pay you on a monthly ongoing basis. But because it's just a one-time setup every single month, they're paying you for access to this software that you set up once. You don't really have to do any ongoing fulfillment. So this is a pretty semi-passive business model. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break everything down and show you exactly how to get started today. So get your notebook, take plenty of notes, turn off the cell phone, and let's dive in. So what we are going to be doing is we're working with small local business owners. And honestly, this could be any type of small local business owner. Real quick, just before you jump into it and think we're running Facebook ads or doing SEO for clients or something like that, we are doing none of that. So if you think of your local business owners, like your local restaurant or your local landscaping company, chiropractor, hairstylist, massage therapist, really any type of small local business owner, it doesn't matter. And right here, I'm going to offer simple lead generation systems that are copy and paste. And what I'm going to show you guys today is actually even simpler. It's literally you go through and have this client sign into a simple software and they check on one button and then they click save, and that is all they have to do. And then you don't have to do anything on an ongoing fulfillment because the software is going to be doing all of the heavy lifting, all the fulfillment. But because this small business is continually getting results, they will continue to pay you on a monthly basis. Now, this specific service, you won't be able to charge $300 to $500 a month just for this one thing alone. But I know a number of people charging $100 per month. And if you think about that, if you got 10 people to sign up on this, which you'll see here, that literally every single business, doesn't matter which industry, doesn't matter what they do, they need the service. You can charge $100 and get 10 people on, and that's $1,000 per month. Pretty much semi-passive monthly recurring income. Obviously, if they have questions and they reach out to you, you want to reach back out to them. But other than that, it's a pretty simple setup. I'm going to show you guys how to do this right here and right now, and I'll even show you how to get your first clients for free. How to fulfill for those clients for free and how to make money on a monthly ongoing basis and be able to stack up your recurring income. Because at the end of the day, it really comes down to, are you going to actually implement what I'm showing you right here? And if not, obviously you're not going to see any results. So the first thing we have to do is find some small local business owners. And luckily for us, we all have free access to Google. And so step one, we need to find a small local business. And then I'm going to show you guys simple systems that we are going to go through and set them up with. But first, let's type in a business. For this example, I searched up plumbing businesses in San Antonio, Texas. And so this could be any type of business in any specific area. It could be plumber near me. It could be electrician in Seattle, Washington. It does not matter. And so what we're going to do once we search this up is we're going to come down here and click on more businesses, where we get a list of now hundreds of businesses. Now, the best way to get in touch with these business owners is to contact them in as many ways as possible. And so what I like to do is just come in here to one of these websites right here. And somewhere on the page, almost every website has it as a list of all their social media accounts. And so if we scroll down here all the way to the bottom, we get a list of all of their different social channels. And so we can just come in here and start selecting all of their different pages. We start to follow them, start to like their pages, and then start messaging them on all of these different platforms. Because if we reach out to this business on their Twitter, their Facebook, and their LinkedIn page, it is going to be very hard for them to ignore us. And it also shows that we've done our due diligence and that we care and that we actually want to help this business. Now, as far as what we're going to actually say to these business owners once we've hit them up and have followed up with them, the message or the offer that we are going to present to these businesses is, I will build you an AI chatbot that gets you appointments in 14 days with $0 in ads, or you pay nothing. And then we just ask them if they're interested. So the reason that we want to set it up this way is because we want to take all of the risk out of it for the business. We're telling them if we don't get them appointments, if we don't actually get them results, they don't have to pay a single penny. And we're telling them upfront that we're not going to spend anything on ads, because a lot of these small business owners have been burned in the past by social media marketing agencies that are charging them $2,000 a month plus the $2,000 a month in ad spend. And so we're telling them upfront, if we don't get you results, you don't pay, and there is not a penny in ads that we are going to spend. Now, once we get a business owner to express interest, all we're going to do is send them a link to this pre-built website template. And again, if you smash the like button and drop a comment down below, you'll get this pre-built website template completely for free. But what we're going to do is send them to this page so that they can actually see how this AI chatbot works in action. And so as they're going through and booking an appointment with you, they can see how this AI chatbot could work in their own business. So what they're going to do is they're just going to click on this button right here, and then they're going to fill out this simple form. So they're going to put in their name, their company name, and then their phone number. And then once they click this button right here, an automatic text is going to be sent to that business owner, where the AI chatbot will actually have a conversation with the business owner to book them on your calendar. So they're seeing firsthand how this AI employee actually works. And so now when they get on a sales call with you, they are already pre-sold because they have proof that the AI employee works, because if it didn't, they wouldn't be there on the call with you. So that makes selling the AI employee to these local business owners that much easier, because you don't have to be this amazing salesman. You can just have this AI employee sell itself by booking the business owner on your calendar.
This video is sponsored by Prospects Pro Technology. If you're looking to grow your business faster and smarter, you need to check this out. Prospects Pro is your all-in-one solution for lead generation, marketing automation, booking sales appointments, and managing customer relationships, all in one powerful platform. It's like having an entire team working for you 24/7, but without the extra cost. Ready to see it in action? Go to www.prospectspro.com/pro and claim your 30-day free trial right now. That's right, no risk, just results. Don't wait. Your business deserves Prospects Pro technology. Start your journey today.
Here we are in this simple AI software. And what's so powerful about this software is that you can white label it, which means you can put your own logo, your own branding on the software, connect your own domain and your own payment processor, and keep 100% of the payments. And so if you are charging a small business owner $300 per month, you are not splitting it 50-50 with another software company. You will be taking home $300 every single month. And because you can white label the software and resell it as your own, that means you don't have to hire expensive developers to go through and build a software for you, and you don't need to know how to code. And so how we actually go through and set these business owners up is we are going to go through to settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Then we are going to go to conversation AI. This is the AI employee we are going to be setting up for these business owners that can be trained specific to each individual business that you signed up. So if you signed up a dentist, we can train this AI chatbot to know everything about that dental business, or if it's a landscaping business or a hair salon or lawn care business. How we set up this AI employee, right, is simply click on Create Bot. Then we are just going to name this bot. So for this example, we are going to name this bot Lori. Then what we are going to next is select the supported channels that we want Lori to work off of. And for the businesses I'm going to be helping, I want this to work on their Facebook page, their Instagram account, their chat widget on their website, because we can add a chat widget so that Lori, the AI employee, can actually have a conversation with the customer on the website and book the appointment for the business owner. So we are just going to select all of these supported channels and make sure that we have this turned on autopilot right here. And then I'm just going to hit save. Next thing we are going to do is come into here and click bot training. And this is where we can actually train the AI chatbot to know everything about the business. You guys, this is so simple right here. All we have to do to set this up is come into the business owner website and copy the URL of the business's website. paste it right here, and then click on Get Data. So now it's going to take about 15 seconds to gather all the information on the website so that this AI employee can know everything about the services they offer, what their hours are, who they can schedule their appointments with. So when a customer is asking questions, it can answer intelligently exactly what the business owner would want the AI employee to say. Now that we updated the AI employee with information with this specific business, we are going to come in to test your bot and ask it a couple of questions to make sure that it's answering questions in a way that the business owner would be happy with. So I'm going to ask it, what kind of services do you offer? Then I'm going to ask, can I get a consultation? So the whole goal of testing the bot right here is to see how it responds. If we like how it responds to a question, we can thumbs it up. But if we don't like the response to the question, we can actually thumbs it down and give it an alternative response. So when it gets asked by a customer in the future, it can respond accordingly. So now I'm going to ask it one more question. Whom am I speaking to? I actually going to thumbs it down because I want this to always follow up with, hello, this is Lori. Do you want to book an appointment for this week? Then I'm going to click on Train Bot. So when that question gets asked in the future, it knows exactly what to say. And so what's super powerful about this AI chatbot is that it just doesn't just answer the question, but it has a job, and that job is to book these customers on the business owner's calendar. So it can answer the question, but should always follow up asking, do you want to book a slot? So these customers can book an appointment. Ultimately, the business owner can book out their calendar without having to lift a finger as far as messaging back and forth with customers to schedule appointments. So I hope you are able to see how this new AI passive income side hustle really works and how you can serve small local business owners, set them up with simple AI solutions that can actually message back and forth to their customers and schedule appointments on their calendars. And how it really takes 5 to 10 minutes to set up one time, so you can get paid $300 to $500 per month with minimal to no ongoing fulfillment. And I hope you can envision how you can scale this to 10 clients, to 20 clients, to 50 clients a month, all paying you $300 to $500 per month. Because there are hundreds of beginners that have started with minimal marketing experience and no tech skills that has been able to see those kind of results. So again, if you want to get access to the free step-by-step course plus the live bootcamp, you can get this entire business setup in the next 24 hours completely for free. Also, a one-on-one kickoff call. All you have to do is smash the like button and drop a comment down below. I'll shoot you over a private link so you can unlock all these freebies and bonuses as promised.